For the time being, I will be greeting you with good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time zone that you are. But again, for us, there is no time. And today we'll be discussing about time and space. Okay, so we are on diary entry number 829. During Holy Mass, the little infant Jesus brings joy to my soul. Often, distance does not exist. I see a certain priest who brings him down. I am awaiting Christmas with great yearning. I am living in expectation together with the Most Holy Mother. Sa banal na misa, pinaligaya ang aking kaluluwa ng munting batang Jesus. Madalas, hindi umiiral ang kalayuan. Nakita ko ang isang pari na nagdudulot ng pagkasira ng Panginoon. Hinihintay ko ng may pananabik ang Kapaskuhan. Sabay naming pinananabikan ng mahal na Birhen ang kanyang pagdating. So if you'll notice in this diary entry, medyo maraming sinulat si Faustina. The thoughts are not organized. Parang random lang. So sabi niya, nakita niya ang batang Jesus, and then nakita niya ang isang pare, no? Again, she was attending the Holy Mass, and then she saw that priest who is from nowhere, no? Hindi niya sinabi kung saan, but definitely the priest is not the one officiating the Mass. It is the priest from some distant place. So I will focus on the concept of distance. Kasi ang sabi dito ni Faustina, often, distance does not exist. Madalas, hindi minsan. Sinabi niya, madalas. Ang distansya, hindi yan totoo. Wala niyan. It does not exist. Alright, alam niyo ba na it took me a lot of time, no, to come up with this presentation na maigsi lang naman, because sabi ko, paano ko i-deliver yung isang bagay na masyadong theoretical, because I watched the theory of relativity many times, pero sabi ko, parang hindi ko pa rin talaga masyadong mateorya yung pagdiniscuss ko yun, no? So, I really took time. Paano ko isasabihin itong time and space concept? Alright, so this is what I came up sa pagnanais kong gustong pasimplehin. Okay, what is time and space? No? Ano ang oras at space? Do they exist? So, meron tinatawag na space-time. Okay, let's go back. Alam niyo yung mga mystical saints natin, they have experiences, kaya nga mystical experiences, that science cannot explain, but actually, science is continuously making research, theorizing, doing experiments, especially on this aspect of time and space. So, it's so mind-boggling talaga, no? Parang babaliktad ang utak mo pag nagbasa ka, nag-aral ka nito. But, medyo matagal-tagal na rin ako nagbabasa tungkol dito. Time and space. But, pag tiningnan mo, in the Bible, it is discussed, time and space. Sa Diary Faustina, maraming beses nang sinabi yan about time and space, no? Alright. May sinasabi na ganito, no? This is from science. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kapag ang bilis, so accelerated ka, no? Ang bilis-bilis ng kilos mo, movement mo sa space. Ang oras naman daw, you are moving slower through time. So, mas mabagal ang oras. Anong ibig sabihin nito na? Again, tandaan nyo mas mabilis ang motion o kilos mo, mas mabagal ang oras. Ito, tingnan nyo yung twin paradox. No? So, sinasabi dito, yung kambal, no? Kambal. Yung isa, nanatili siya sa Earth. Yung isang kambal naman, sabihin natin si letter B, no? Si twin A nanatili siya sa Earth. Si twin B, pumunta siya sa outer space at a very fast speed, no? Ang bilis kasi 'di ba? Pag yung mga rockets natin pag pumupunta yan sa space, mabilis yan, hindi pwede yung 60 kilometers per hour, talagang ang tulin yan, no? So itong si twin B pumunta sa isang lugar, sa limbawa, no, doon sa isang planeta. And then bumalik siya sa Earth. Pagdating daw sa Earth nitong si twin B, yung kanyang kakambal tumanda, no? Pero siya, bahagya na siyang tumanda. Maliit lang ang nadagdag sa kanyang edad, no? Ang contrast nga, tingnan yung kakambal niya, no? Uugod-ugod na. No, siya, very fresh pa. Pero pareho, nung naghiwalay sila, parehong edad nila, pareho itsura nila. Kasi, when twin B traveled out of space, palayo sa Earth, palayo sa mundo, yung oras ay bumagal. Kung kaya, yung isang segundo niya sa Earth, ilang oras na ang lumipas. Isang segundo pa lang siyang nawawala. Sa Earth, ilang oras na ang lumipas. That is why, pagbalik niya, konting oras lang ang yung naranasan niya, no? Yung pakiramdam niya. Konting oras lang siyang nawala. Pero nung bumalik siya sa Earth, grabe, ang tagal na pala niyang nawala. At makikita dun sa itsura nila, nag-age masyado yung kakambal niya, siya hindi masyadong nag-age, hindi masyadong tumanda. So that is the twin paradox, no? Anong ibig sabihin ng dalawang points na sinabi ko na the faster you move through space, the slower you move through time, tapos yung twin paradox, no? Tandaan nyo, unang-una, si Faustina, she was able to visit hell, heaven, purgatory. So, meron bang distance yun? At that moment, tingnan nyo yung time, observe the time. That moment, pumunta siya sa hell. Halimbawa, saglit lang. Tapos balik na siya. Pero ang dami niyang nakita, ang dami niyang natutunan. Pumunta siya sa heaven, saglit lang. Pitik-pitik lang. Saglit lang. Bumalik uli siya sa kung saan siya nandun, no? Pero ang totoo, hindi naman umalis yung katawan niya. Only the soul left. The soul went to heaven. The soul went to hell. The soul went to purgatory. She was able to visit these places out of this earth. Wala, labas sa ating daigdig, no? And she was able to go there for a very brief moment, pero ang dami niyang natuklasan. Tapos sabi niya, halimbawa, pumupunta siya, may mga lessons siya halimbawang pinuntahan sa heaven. Saglit lang yun, pero sabi niya, pagbalik niya, parang ang tagal na nun nangyari. No? Pero saglit lang talaga siyang umalis. No? Yung kanyang clock, no? Kumbaga, pakiramdam niya, na saglit lang naman yun, talagang flash of ano lang, no? Flash of a second lang, no? Pero balik agad siya, dami na niyang nagawa, dami na niyang natutunan. So, yung equivalent tong time, magkaiba, mas mabilis, o let's say, mas advanced talaga sa ibang mundo kaysa sa mundo natin. Tapos, nakakapunta siya doon sa past, the scene of the passion. Di ba tapos na yan eh? Those scenes were of the past, of history na nga yan, di ba? Pero she can always go there at any time. She would be led by an angel to be there. At any time, nakakapunta siya. And then at other time naman, makakapunta naman siya sa future. No, future events. Ano ba yung nakita niya? Marami siyang events na nakita na foresee niya yung World War pagkatapos siyang mamatay, no? And it happened. Na-foresee din niya na yung devotion to the Divine Mercy would be temporarily ang exact ang exact words niya dito, no? There will come a time when this work which God is demanding so very much will be as though utterly undone, and then God will act with great power. So ito yung na-suspend or na-ban yung Divine Mercy Devotion. This was the time. But this happened after her death. Pero nakita na niya yan when she was still here on earth. So, ibig sabihin, na-access niya yung future. Nakikita niya yon. Why? Because everything happens simultaneously. Parang ang hirap niyang isipin, but these things are happening simultaneously. We can actually go back to what happened in the past. Ngayon yun, it is happening at this very moment. Yung mangyayari in the future, it is already happening at this very moment, pero nasa ibang dimension pa siya. Nasa ibang realm pa siya. No? Kaya, nangyayari na doon, dito, yung manifestation here on earth, medyo matagal. Kasi nga, mabagal ang concept ng time dito sa lupa. Whereas, sa ibang in the very fabric of the universe, time is slow. So these mystics, sila yung nagsasabi that there is no distance. Wala naman talagang distance. No? Walang naghihiwalay sa atin. In fact, yesterday, sabi niya, di ba, souls are connected, interrelated. Kaya nga nakakakonect yung kaluluwa na namamatay to Faustina because souls are connected. And Faustina would be able to visit that soul, the soul that is living or dying. Faustina would be able to visit that soul at a snap of the finger, no? Pero ang layo nun, hindi niya nalalaman paano siya nakakarating doon and then makakabalik siya on herself, on her body. So she was bilocating. So in bilocation, is there distance? No. Practically, there is no distance. Just like Saint Vincent Ferrer, Saint Vincent Ferrer can appear in several places at the same time. Imagine niyo yun? Bilocation. Imagine niyo yung presence mo. You can be present in every place all at the same time. That is mystical, but yun yung sinasabi nila. There is actually no distance. Wala. So that even if your relative lives in the US, you can connect to your relative in the US. Na, hindi lang sa siyempre yung the physical aspect, yun yung cellphone halimbawa or video call. Pero yung mas high, pero yung the higher form is when you can go to your relative. Katulad ni Padre Pio, di ba? Nakakapunta siya kung saan bansa without leaving the convent. How's that? How's that possible, no? Because they have mastered time and space. Practically for them, there is no distance. Practically for them, there is no time. They can be at one place all at the same time. They can go to the past. They can go to the future. Simultaneously. No, so, etong mga saints natin, these are their experiences. These are mystical experiences. But, they are telling us that these things are possible. May na-achieve lang silang certain level of spiritual development which made them capable of doing that. And the lessons learned, no? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, the soul, while the body sleeps for 8 hours halimbawa, the soul is awake for 24 hours. Even if the body is sleeping, the soul is active. The soul may go to heaven or to a place where it can sit down with the saints and learn lessons or magkaroon ng spiritual discourse. The soul can visit a friend. The soul can go anywhere if you are sleeping, while you are sleeping. So these things are fascinating. Kaya ako, mahilig ako magbasa naman ganyan. This interests me because, wow, no? Totoo pala yun, no? Di pala to parang ano lang, no? Yung mga napapanood mo lang sa movies. Kaya, I was also amazed by the experiences of Faustina because Faustina was able to show that these things are possible and that there really is no concept of time. Kaya, alam nyo, yung nabuhay na sanggol for 1 month at isang lola na nabuhay ng 100 years old for 100 years, practically pareho lang naman eh. Wala yan masyado pinag-iba. Sa concept lang ng mundo, ang haba ng buhay ng isa, igsi ng isa, no? But, technically, these two souls have been living for a very, very long time. Old na yung mga souls nila. Because, sabi nga natin, the souls are eternal. So, kahit na mawala yan sa kanyang physical body, it goes on, it continues its life. So, again, the concept of time and space, dito lang yan sa lupa. But, at the other side of the world, of this world of earth, of this place we call earth, practically, time and space do not exist. Nasa inyo yun, no? You can read more, no? Gusto ko pa nga mag-share, no? Kaya lang talagang masyadong mind-boggling. Medyo mahirap, no? But, it would already suffice na yung may experience ng ating mga saints ay nagpapatunay. Mahirap magpatunayan sa level ng siyensya, but science is advancing into it. No? Nag-a-advance na ang science. They are really looking towards it. They're really doing research and several experiments when it comes to these things. And one day, you know, there will be a meeting point between science and spirituality.